Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At bago lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react na ako guys dito sa PBB Housemate Celebrity Collab, lumakad sa blue carpet ng GMA Gala 2025. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright, i-play na natin to guys. Okay, bilang tayo ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Si Charlie. Ang ganda ng gown ni Charlie, no? Ang daming butterflies. Grabe yung face card niya, no? Sobrang ganda ng face card ni Charlie. Very telegenic sa screen. Ang tangkad pa niya. Next is si Josh. Grabe naman. Sobrang Latino ni Josh, no? Si Kira. Si AC.
Happy birthday first and foremost, Dong.
Ang simple lang ng suot ni AC, no? Very sexy sa kanyang kasuotan. Grabe, no? Sobrang manika ni Kira. Grabe yung face card ni Josh, no?
Lagi namang napakaganda pag Miss Marian Rivera yan. Sure na tayo. Pero tell us about how you incorporated your own style sa look na to. Or ano ba yung
Si Emilio.
behind both of your looks?
Shout out tayo sa Studio 24C. And of course to my CC Mel.
Si Michael.
Yes, of
Mel
course.
Studio 24C. Maraming salamat.
Ang ganda, oh.
I
The
love,
lace detail.
but my favorite
Oh my gosh,
detail
Si Cyril.
is, wow.
Ang ganda ng gown ni Cyril, oh.
But my favorite detail for this is the layering of our two necklaces.
Exactly.
Eh, parang pumayat si Cyril, no? Pumayat na siya.
Mel kasi sabi ni Mel sa akin, siguro it's lace kasi.
Grabe naman yung mukha ni Michael Sager, no? Sobrang nakaka-good vibes yung looks ni Michael Sager, no? Lagi kasi siyang nakangiti.
No? And I love that it's not just one
Si
color.
Emilio.
It's like the rainbow.
Sobrang
It's like
ni
the
Emilio, no?
giving
Sobrang
rainbow heart.
ganda ng mukha niya, no? Napaka-good looking niya.
Kapuso.
On the
Yeah.
Actually, lahat sila eh.
Diba?
No?
And I
Thank you
love
so much. Yeah.
earrings.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Dong. See you guys inside.
An advance happy birthday to you. August
Eh, si
15th.
AZ. Sobrang ganda ni AZ,
Enjoy
no?
your birthday party.
Si Ralph.
Thank you
See you later.
so much.
Sobrang good looking.
Okay.
Alright, so
Charlie
housemates are here.
Fleming.
So we'll talk to Charlie.
Si Vince.
Charlie.
Sobrang galing ni Vince, no? Sobrang cute ni Vince.
Charlie, tell us
And then bagay din sila ni Sangre Terran. May chemistry sila. Si Ralph po, grabe yung looks ni Ralph, no?
Your dress tonight looks beautiful.
Wow.
Grabe yung kanya, yung face card.
in your
Diba?
dress.
Grabe yung mukha ni AZ, no? Tignan mo, grabe parang siyang may sariling ring light. Nag-glow.
Tumang.
So we saw a lot of previews, different outfits you've been posting online. Why go with this dress?
Actually, orange was the color that we used when we were starting out.
Ang lakas ng kanila chemistry na si Mom.
You owned it.
Magkakaroon na naman to ng meme, sigurado ako, yung graduation. Graduation song. Si Milo. Ang cute ng magnanay. Pamilya Di Guzman.
But you know what?
Here I am today, the woman
Blooming.
inside the butterfly.
Yeah.
Not everybody can carry orange this well, right?
And
Thank you.
not many people can carry thousands of butterflies in a dress.
I know.
Honestly, I'm lucky they didn't fly away.
Yes.
Exactly. So now
Ang
for
cute ni
you, how
Shubi.
different is this gala personally, and how excited are you for tonight?
Oh my god, I'm actually super excited right now. This is,
Sino to?
it's life-changing.
Ah, si Mom.
The
Si
previous
Mom.
galas we had wasn't
You
this
know?
big for me. Of course, I was just starting out. in
Mark my word guys,
everything.
magkakaroon ng meme to.
I've helped
Come of
myself,
age.
yeah.
You're a
I've come of
butterfly.
age.
She's
Yeah.
just 16.
Pamilya Di Guzman.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Charlie.
thank
We'll
so
see you
much.
inside.
Thank you.
You may
Thank you,
now
Charlie.
fly away with your butterflies.
Oh my God.
AZ.
AC. So AC
Hello po,
Bonifacio.
AC. Hi. Mwah.
Hello.
So we got the PBB housemates.
Hello, everybody.
It's they're all
Here.
out of the house.
Uy, si River.
Inside
I know.
the GMA Gala.
Ay, wala pa pala.
Yes.
Excited.
And I love this look also. Look at the
Thank
cutouts.
you.
And the back, and the back. It's the back.
Si Ashley saka si
I
Mavi.
love this
Wow.
metallic pebble detail.
Okay.
Yes, we
Okay.
tried to show off my best features. Exactly.
Okay,
My
so
abs and my back.
let's introduce Cyril
As a
Manabay.
dancer.
Hi.
Hello po. Good evening po.
Hi.
Sana all may
Oh.
kasama.
Okay, so
Char.
beautiful. First of all, the
Si
makeup
River, oh.
and the hair
Thank you po.
complements the entire look together. And you're wearing a bright, beautiful,
Ganda ni
sparkling,
Ashley.
fully beaded. diba?
Fully
Red
beaded.
silk.
Fully
Andito po ang
ayun.
cellphone ng lahat ng housemates.
Galing.
Nakailan
Si River.
ako.
Idol ko si River.
See you later.
Siya yung bias ko sa PBB.
Emilio and Michael are
Okay.
next.
The ultimate
Si
Hello.
Dustin saka si
of
Bianca.
PBB.
Hi, hello, mwah. Hi.
Emilio Diaz and Michael Sager. Hey guys.
Ang linis tignan ni
Okay,
Dustin, no?
these gents look
Bagay
so
sa kanya
good
yung
this
kanya,
evening.
tuxedo niya.
Anong mapapatrend nyo kaya tonight?
Ang ganda ni Bianca.
Yung
Eh, si
trending
Sneer.
kings eh.
Talaga?
Oh.
Aba? Kabog yung outfit ni Sneer, oh. Oh, ganda. You know? You know? Pak na pak si Sneer, oh.
Going as a duo, and not just us, but the fellow housemates as well. And we're excited to celebrate this night for GMA's 75th
Love
anniversary.
team talaga.
Wow. Ang ganda ni Bianca, no?
As a duo,
Grabe yung face card niya.
Yes, exactly.
Talk about your outfits tonight.
yeah, so for
Grabe
tonight,
yung
I'm wearing
mukha ni
Joey Samson,
Dustin.
and it's styled by David Milan. And I went with color this year. It's my first time doing color rustic red. And I'm just enjoying it, a bit of an experiment, and
Yun
enjoying
naman.
whatever flows.
Kasi in colored suit.
Ito na guys, Breka.
Oh.
Actually,
Diba?
no?
Inabangan ko talagang Breka eh.
I'm wearing G Gumapak tonight.
Pares kabalen.
Black suit, something
Taga sa amin si Juan guys, si Brent.
Okay, kasi
I love
mga-
Malapit lang sa amin. Taga dito sa
Yun yung
Kapas.
magsa-stand out, yeah. So,
Ang ganda ni Mika.
Michael and Emilio. Thank you.
Magta-transform yan, magiging owl yan.
Thank you. Okay.
Hmm.
Up next.
So, we have Josh Ford. and
Ganda ni Mika, no?
manager.
Wow.
Yun naman, si Brenty Boy. Kamukha ni Brenty Boys yan. May pagka-vibe siya ni Kwan, no? Ni Dylan Wang. No? Comment down below kung kayo din, guys. Anyways, ang saya ng mata ko kasi nakita ko na naman yung mga PBB housemates. Actually, guys, itong season ng PBB talaga yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na season. Alright. Kayo din ba? Okay guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, video nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po!